You're an entrepreneur. You've got ideas and love what you do. You're excited when a big idea pops up, and you set out getting the right people, the infrastructure, and the systems in place. Because when it comes to setting up systems and establishing processes and pipelines, the PC, that big ungainly machine, still rules the roost. And so you dive into many different softwares, trying to figure out system compatibilities, system upgrades, putting all the pieces together, trying to make sense of it all. And every time a new version of some software comes along or an entirely new technology breaks in, it marches an army of IT experts installing new versions and taking your employees through rigorous training sessions. That is expensive, time-consuming, and takes your team on a longer knowledge curve, which doesn't make sense when you see everything getting simplified around you. People own smartphones, tablets, laptops, and devices which make life simpler, easier, and more compact. So why couldn't we use these very same devices to do our everyday work? The guys at CrowdPC found themselves asking this question. And they came up with a way to free people who had, since the first IBM PC, been tethered to their boxes. This is Jim. Jim owns a chain of 24/7 corner stores. Jim used to vouch for the Excel spreadsheet. But Excel didn't give him enough flexibility or integration with other softwares such as POS, bookkeeping, content, contact, or labor management. So instead of spending tons of cash to buy new software and then worry about IT support and blah, Jim went to CrowdPC. CrowdPC is all about today's business computing needs. It comes in a neat little box which calls itself a CPC-1 wireless app server. The CPC-1 app server is the new business computer which can handle the daily computing needs of your business. Any device with a Wi-Fi and a web browser can hook into it. Jim no longer needs to install all those expensive softwares on all his systems and then hope like hell that they don't crash. Instead, Jim and his team today work on apps which are custom built for his business and can run on tablets, smartphones, or desktops, making them easy to use. Even more easily configured, it runs on an open API-based operating system called the CrowdOS. CrowdOS shares the same database with all the apps in real time so that the integrated data is available at the click of a button. For Jim, this means that he can use these very tools to create relevant, engaging, and exciting experiences for his customers. His sales staff now has tablets as mobile sales terminals, and everything is integrated, so Jim has up-to-the-minute information about everything. So he can make decisions in real time and grow at a faster pace than ever before. We'd say it's the CrowdPC, but Jim says it's his enterprising nature. We couldn't agree more. All that data on your CrowdPC gets mirrored onto CrowdPC Online. CrowdPC Online is where the secure, real-time sharing of data takes place between apps, platform users, among devices, and across the internet, which means quick recovery, no data losses, and no heartbreaks. With CrowdPC Online, step into the exciting world of enterprising app developers. Look what's on offer at the CrowdPC market, or get customized apps created for your business from a global community of app developers. And your data is in a physically sealed system using SSLv3/TLSv1 encrypted HTTPS traffic for all upstream and WLAN I/O as well, for all peripheral device connections, and permitting no hardware access to the system components, thus making it the most secure computing solution ever brought to the SBM market. CrowdPC seamlessly connects devices to CrowdPC Online, making IT nerds, service contracts, repairs, and support vendors a thing of the past. Now Jim's team effortlessly manages work and life. They're more efficient, and they love working for Jim, which makes him feel like a rock star. Today, we live in a mobile world of smartphones, iPads, and tablets, and CrowdPC has made business mobile too by cutting the strings that tethered us to the boxes. Designed for a multitasking generation, ranging from retail to healthcare, defense to entertainment, CrowdPC is a revolutionary new way of doing business. It holds everything you need to set up shop in one small box. for a price that's so unbelievable, we had to keep it a secret. CrowdPC, the next generation of business computing.